Penny here from That's Just Penny in the Junk Journal Ministry, and today I want to introduce y'all. You have seen me working on this new journal, and I absolutely love it. It is well with my Soul kit. It has a Bible journaling kit. It has a junk journal kit. Super excited for that, and I've been showing it in the videos. It also has a prayer pocket, or the field pocket, however that you want to say. It does have that kit with it as well. It has, let's see here, pull the preview images out. It does have the letters, notes, and butterflies is what I called it. And you can use these elements in your Bible journaling, your junk journaling. And I have journal pages. These are the ones that you fold in half. And they give you the journaling pages if you are making your own journals. And also it has scrapbook papers. So the scrapbook papers, collage papers also is what I call them. You can use these, however, in any kind of paper craft. So try to think outside the box. It's more than print, cut, fold, and make a journal. It's more than that. It can be Bible journaling. It can be collaging. It can be decoupage. Just however that you use your paper crafts. So think outside the box, and if you make anything, tag me, let me know. I want to see you all use these kits. I haven't seen a lot of people use That's Just Penny kits, so please let me know when you use these so that I can see your all's beautiful work. Okay, so this goes along with the new junk journal playbook, page design playbook, and workbook. I'm super excited. This is number 8. And I do want to say, if you downloaded the junk journal playbooks, I have 1 through 9 now. 9 will be released. I'm trying to release one each month so that each month, say next year, then I can just pick up the templates and create with, instead of having to come up with new designs. It's based on these basic templates, right? Okay, so this is the No-Sew Accordion Spine Journal and Page Design Playbook and Workbook version 8 with templates. Super, super excited. If you have downloaded the previous versions, be understanding. I did find a typo in my terms of use. I do apologize. If you look down here, it says it's supposed to be used. So if you downloaded those, I'm going to edit those and I'm going to fix those. So I do apologize. There was a typo there. And then I had a typo up in here. So I did fix all of those. And this is, like I said, it is well with my soul. Bible journaling, Bible hymn journaling. Junk journal kit goes along with this. This is the No-Sew Accordion Spine Layout Guide. It just tells you a little bit. This is just a guide. And every one of these will have this, but specifically based on this style of journal. Okay, so you're going to see these. You're going to say, well, they all look the same. They're not the same. Trust me, they're not the same. The words and stuff. And I did find some typos, so I do apologize. Here is the flip view, and what I mean by flip view is, you know, when you flip the pages, that is flip view. Okay, that's what this means. Flip view. And these are the, I just love these pages. It is well with my soul, and this is the actual hymnal. It is in the public domain, so I'm super excited. I got to look up the history of all that. Check out that story. Check out the study behind this hymnal. There's several videos I've got now up on my YouTube and Facebook pages and on the main site. So all the links will be down below, of course, as always. So I just wanted to show this off. This is what I'm going to be showing you to create if you want. If you want to create one of these, this is the workbook part, okay? The playbook part contains the printables, and I've created 2 background papers for this kit where you can print the template on and use it. And these are, let's see, hang on just a second, I've got one more. There's that one. Okay, and here's the other one. So here are the 2 backgrounds. Here are the templates I've done cut mine out. Of course, I've done use them to create this journal with. But I wanted to come along. And if you want to create one with me, I will do step-by-step instructions. So this is nothing new, guys. Totally nothing new. But I have not seen. I know it's probably not new at all. I know somewhere out there it's probably already have been discovered, been designed, or whatever. But this is where I hook the rings. This is the ring. I call it the accordion because it's folded like an accordion. That may not be the proper name for it, and that's okay, but I call it no-sew accordion spine. And it's a ring-bound journal, and I designed this is really super, I mean, that's not going to come out, okay? It's like a binder, but I designed it with a template. So I created the template. This is sort of my prototype, actually my third prototype. And when I was happy with it, I went ahead and made it into a template. And the templates, like I said, it takes a while to get all the templates. These templates were created on the computer, just to let you guys know. So this is what the template looks like for the spine. Okay, there are instructions, of course, but I will have to do a video to show you guys. So I will be doing this. So I'm just showing you what you're going to need. Okay, this is a I don't know what you call it, one fold, meaning I have one set of rings. Okay, I do have a template where you can put 2 of these folds on the spine, and you would have 2 sets of rings. Okay, for this particular. This is the small one. So my rings, I think they are 1/2 inch. I believe is what they are. They are small. These are the bookbinding rings, and I believe they are 1/2 inch. So this journal is, well, the cover is actually 8. Let me get over that. Yep, it's a little 8 and maybe 1/4. So it is 8 1/4 by the time the paper. There's layers and layers of paper on this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of paper. And everything's falling out right off my cover. So, and then it is 5 1/2. So it is 8 1/4 by 5 1/2. So right now what you need to do is you need to go print this playbook and workbook, and then go print it as well with my Soul kit if you wish as well. If not, gather up your supplies, your papers that you want to use, and you will try to use the templates. If you want to just follow what I do in the videos, I am going to go step by step. Okay, so in the next video, we will be creating the cover. Okay, so that means you're going to need your cereal box. You're going to need some regular copy paper. Just regular papers. Any kind of paper that you want, you know, for the base paper. I just use copy, just copy paper, okay? So you need cereal box, copy paper. From the templates, you are going to need the cover template, okay? You're going to need that. Let me pull these out. You're going to need the cover mat, and you're going to need the page template, okay? Then you're going to need this page here, the outside spine, okay? You're going to need these templates. Don't worry about printing anything on them right now. Just get the templates printed. Get your serial board or your chipboard, whatever kind of board, and get some regular copy paper, or newspaper will work. Something thin, but something that the glue will not, you know, go through. Okay? And you're going to need, I use Eileen's Tacky Glue, but you can get your stuff ready and meet me back for the next video to actually start and show you how I created the cover. And then we'll move into the spine. And then we'll move into doing our pages and things like that. Okay? So stay tuned for the next following videos.